You begin to recognize that things are fine as they are. And the more you focus on how fine they are, the more fine they become. It's really a weird thing. It's the exact opposite of fear and worry. When you focus on something you fear, that emotion and that energy of fear stays there and it expands. This takes us in the opposite direction of this keeps getting better. This keeps getting better because that's our focus. What you focus on expands. You feel thankful, appreciative, blessed in the beauty of the moment. Now, you've all heard the story, or you hear very often. We're all familiar with stop and smell the roses, right? This is how this works with that stop and smell the roses. So you come to a rose. Stopping means when you encounter the rose, you don't think about that which isn't roses. Why not? What? Because that's here and now for you. Oh, here's a rose. Not, man, I wish I were playing baseball right now. Oh, here's a rose, right? Second thing, so the looking is where everyone got to. Stop and smell the roses means stop and you go, right? Thinking that was enough. That's what got you into the moment. Accepting says you be okay that this rose is your current reality. In other words, you just embrace that this is true for me right now. This is my experience right now, and I embrace it. That's a really ugly rose. God, you could have done better on this rose, kind of thing. Mother Nature, whoever's in charge of roses. Now, this is what everyone left out, and what I think is the coolest part of this is savoring means, so we stop and smell the roses, we be okay with it, and savoring means we enjoy the unique fragrance of this rose. So we don't just go, yeah, I did it. You go, oh my gosh, wow. I have this weird thing, and my family really makes fun of me when I do this, but I trail run a lot, and where I run there's sage all over the place, just growing freely in the trails up where I am. And so I'll just be running, and I'll just be going, and I'll just grab some sage and go, and then toss it to the side. Because I get like double pleasure out of not just running, but I also get the aroma, because I really like the smell of sage. My family always laughs at me. And there's dumb dad again. The truth is, if you incorporated a mindset of mindfulness into everything you did, everything would be more fun, enjoyable, peaceful, and satisfying. I can't find an exception to that. So observe, notice, pay attention, enjoy, and watch your stress disappear. Okay, 2 quick quotes that I want to leave you with, because I didn't make any of this up. I packaged it like it is, but I didn't make any. This has been around for a long, long time.